My name is Dave and I'm from Pennsylvania. I found LeafFilter on search engines looking for companies that could take care of my gutters and my gutter problems. I'm a satisfied LeafFilter customer. I had a LeafFilter system installed on my property in August, and I'm most impressed with the fact that the representative was courteous and prompt. He gave us a competitive and fair price. And the most impressive thing is that the job was completed within 2 weeks of the time that when he visited for both gutter and the protective topping. I'm most happy with the fact that with fall upon us and fall coming up, I won't be climbing any 40-foot ladders to clean my gutters out, as the gutters I had installed are at the top of a 2-story section of my house. In addition, they look great, and the installation crew left my property neat and tidy. I am a 100% satisfied customer with LeafFilter and would recommend them to anyone looking to protect their gutters from clutter and debris, especially to seniors like me.